3 over 11 minus 7 over 22 is equal to, very interesting question. We are to subtract two fractions. The first step, what we are going to do is we are going to start by finding the LCM of their denominators. That is the LCM of 11 and 22. The LCM of 11 and 22 is simply equal to 11 is a factor of 22. That means the LCM will simply be 22. Taking down the given problem, we have 3 all over 11 minus 7 all over 22. We are going to draw a horizontal line directly below their denominators, and directly below this horizontal line we are going to write down the LCM of the denominators, which is 22. Next step, we are going to divide the LCM of the denominators, which is 22, by the denominator of the first fraction, which is 11. 22 divided by 11 gives us 2. We have to multiply 2 by the numerator of the first fraction, which is 3. 2 times 3, this will give us 6. We are going to write the 6 directly below the first fraction. We write down 6 here. Then we bring down the operation sign, which is minus. Next step, we have to divide the LCM of the denominators of the two fractions by the denominator of the second fraction, which is 22. 22 divided by 22 gives us 1. We have to multiply the 1 by the numerator of the second fraction, which is 7. 1 times 7, it gives us 7. This will simply be equal to, we take 6 minus 7, which gives us a negative 1 all over 22. Therefore, 3 over 11 minus 7 on 22 is simply equal to negative 1 all over 22. We underline the final answer.